Ayan guys, Pi Network update tayo today. Nakikita nyo dito sa recording natin, ito yung prompt na nag-appear sa Pi wallet ko yesterday. Kasi yung date ngayon, itong vina-voice over ko, yung date ngayon, Sabado, March 15, 12:49 ng tanghali. Okay? Pero kahapon pa tong video recording na nagawa natin. And nung magtatap na ako ng mine sa Pi wallet ko, biglang nag-appear itong message na to automatically. Okay, nakalagay dyan, confirm your migration. Confirm you have the fast phrase to your wallet below. Okay, so yan yung naka-blurred dito sa video natin. And then tap the button below to confirm this wallet. And then, kailangan ko lang i-click yung confirm this wallet. Okay, so gusto ko lang establish yung understanding ninyo na sa part na to, successfully or completed ko na yung KYC and yung Pi account ko or yung Pi wallet ko naka-status automatically migrated sa queue ng mainnet. Okay, so kompleto na yung KYC. Naghihintay na nga lang ako ng date na pwede ko nang i-transfer sa centralized exchange yung Pi mainnet balance ko. Okay? Naka-schedule yon March 18, 2025. So kung yesterday, March 14, naka-receive pa ako ng ganitong prompt. Okay? Kahit kumpleto ko na lahat ng KYC process. Okay? So kung for some reason, kagaya nyo ako na naka-receive ng ganitong prompt sa mga Pi network wallet ninyo, makakatulong tong video na to. Okay? So, ikikwento ko siya habang piniplay ko yung recording, guys. So, I would like to deliver and reiterate this disclaimer statement for our Crypto Bayanihan Web3 wallets. The content provided in this video is strictly for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, investment, legal, or professional advice. We do not promote or solicit the purchase or sale of any cryptocurrencies, tokens, exchanges, or financial instruments. All the information shared on our YouTube channel is published in good faith and are intended to help viewers understand blockchain and Web3 technologies.